Hello, I'm Peter Foster and this is Kalkine's Daily Trending News. The Australian share market is set to open lower, with ASX 200 futures down 28 points or 0.3%, likely breaking a 5-day winning streak. This comes despite a late rebound on Wall Street, where major indices recovered early losses triggered by weak US GDP data showing the first contraction since 2022. Investors were reassured by the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, which remained flat in March, easing rate cut concerns. The Nasdaq clawed back from a nearly 3% drop to close just 0.1% lower, while the S&P 500 recovered from a 2% plunge. Volatility surged, with the VIX spiking and bond markets swinging. In after-hours trading, Microsoft surged nearly 9% and Meta jumped over 4% after both beat revenue forecasts. Meanwhile, Brent crude slipped toward $63, marking its worst monthly performance in 4 years. Back in Australia, Woolworths reported a strong surge in e-commerce sales, reinforcing retail sector resilience amid market uncertainty. Looking at market highlights. Australian dollar added 0.3% to 64.03 US cent. Bitcoin down 0.5% to $94,541 US. Dow Jones gained 0.4%. S&P 500 added 0.1%. Nasdaq lost 0.1%. Gold up shed 0.7% to $3,293.87 US an ounce. Brent oil lost 1.8% to $63.12 US a barrel. Iron ore dropped 1.5% to $96.95 US a ton. That's the latest from Kalkine's Daily Trending News.